beauties, it's me, Alegra. So I'm calling this the Hot Mess Express. I'm like, you know what, get on board the Hot Mess Express. That's what's going on here. Right now I just have on my Revlon Primer, like always, obsessed. Guys, I was thinking tonight we could do an extreme glam makeover, although because, you know, why not? Let's have fun. I was like, let's go all out. So that's what I was thinking about doing tonight, guys, an extreme glam makeover. Guys, I have to tell you, this stuff is so life-changing. This is the MAC Full Coverage Foundation, and if you ever have to take a picture or if you want to make a YouTube video and you have dark circles under your eyes, like I have very dark circles under my eyes, I do have that indentation and whatnot, and this stuff is like a miracle worker because it totally erases the circles and the indentation, and so you don't see it, so it looks just like full, like you have filler under your eyes, or you know, like you're just a youngin'. So it looks great on camera. This is really an amazing, life-changing product though. Oh, you could see I'm almost running out. So I just kind of put it on, and then I'm gonna blend it out with some foundation. This is actually a beautiful foundation. Did I tell you guys? This is the Tarte Double Duty. Gorgeous. It looks gorgeous in real life. Guys, I'm going to put some of this on now. So this is part of the key to the uber extreme glam transformation. So I'm going to go in now with the Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. And this is definitely a must-have if you want to do an extreme glam transformation. These products are very glam. They're going to all give you a glam finish. But this is another product that totally will conceal your under eye circles. So now I'm just going to take the whitest concealer I have, which is this Jeffree Star concealer. It's like pure white, but this is going to act as a highlighter. So I'm going to take my Mercier and let's set this puppy before it starts creasing up and caking up and looking like the Hot Mess Express. I've been using my Mercier powder puff right here. So I take it like a sandwich, you know, fold it up like a little Taco Bell, and just press it in very gently though, just very gently. Press that into your under eye, and that's gonna bake that puppy. So love that, of course. This is just amazing. So maybe I'll let that bake. Maybe we'll do the eyes now. The eyes is my favorite part. So much fun, right? I'm just putting some concealer on. I'm gonna do my eyes now. I can't wait. So I got here, this is the Why Not collection from Colourpop. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm really excited to open it with you guys. And here's the palette. This is what I couldn't wait for. This is what I was here for. This is what inspired me. Wine and Only. This is they're so funny. They always think of the funniest stuff at Colourpop. Here are the shades in the palette. Start with the darkest shade. I'm going to take a shader brush. So I'm just going to sketch it out. Just stamp it on. Oh, look how dark that is. I love it. It's gorgeous. That was just one tap. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I'm just using my shader brush and just tapping it on the outer portion of my eye. So then I'm just going to dip into this shade here, this medium tone shade, and just tap that on right next to the first color. So I'm just tapping it on. This is a pencil brush. Using these smaller, more compact brushes makes it come out more intense. So it could take a longer amount of time, but if you have hooded eyes, using smaller brushes is really makes a big difference. So I'm going to go back in with my smudger brush in that same color and just smudge it under my lower lashes, just the outer portion of my eye. And then I'll just take my fluffy brush. This shade has shimmer in it. Usually I don't put shimmer in my crease, but maybe it won't be too much. So I'm going to just take my fluffy brush with that shade and just put it on just the line where the two colors meet, just to blend it out. The shimmer is not showing, so it's great. This shimmer is very minimal. You can't really see it at all. And then where the lines meeting, if they're not blending that well for you, because this one's they're very intense. So I'm gonna just tap it and then that's gonna blend. So I'm just gonna take a smudger brush. I'm just gonna smudge that initial dark shade we used into the waterline. I'm just gonna take my concealer again. I'm just gonna just go for the classic cut crease in the front. Just dip into this shimmer shade, the front color. You know, because we were doing, like we said, an extreme glam, I'm gonna put some glitter on because this is a great look for every day, but if you want to do some extreme glam, I'm just gonna take my eyelash glue and just put that on the front portion of my eye. This is a clear eyelash glue. And then let's do the other one. And then really quickly before that dries, just take a teeny tiny, your smallest, you know, very small brush that you might have. And I'm just going to take some of this glitter. This is some MAC glitter. And I'm just going to tap it into the cup. Ooh. I don't know if I ever used this before. This is so pretty. And we're just going to put that right on top of our lash glue. Oh, that's so pretty. So this is just a cream gel liner from Colourpop. Let me just put on some mascara for the moment. Oh, I didn't even do my brows, guys, because today I dyed my brows. Let me know if you guys want to see how I dye my brows at home. It makes such a huge difference in your look. It's crazy. This is a really great liner from Revlon, and I'm just gonna, it comes with a smudger brush, smudger. So I'm just gonna smudge that liner out. Let's put on some contour. This is my favorite. So I'm gonna take some of this Super Shock Cheek. I just had to run and grab my beauty mist, guys, so this is a must-have. So I'm just gonna put on this lip. This is another Colourpop cream gel liner in Joyride, but I will use these as a, let me put something on my eye. I do use these as a lip liner. And then I have this. I was just going through my stash, you guys. I haven't bought a MAC lipstick in forever, but I just wanted to play with this. This is the color Antique Velvet. I'm just gonna put on some highlighter. Oh, this is so gorgeous, you guys. This blends so beautifully into the purple eyeshadow. So dolls, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this Colourpop Vinyl. What is it? Colourpop palette. Oh my god. Vinyl. What is it called, you guys? I forgot now. Wine and Only. Guys, this palette from Colourpop Wine and Only is amazing. I'm so shocked. And this blush. Once you put on the wine colored lip, it just all comes together so beautifully. I'm putting more on because I love it so much. I really wasn't sure about this blush, but when you put this blush with a wine colored, especially for a winter makeup look, oh my god. But I could see this being gorgeous in the summer though, or if I self-tan. I actually was thinking about self-tanning, so I would love to see this with a self-tan too. But if you're a paler complexion, OMG, with a wine colored lip, it just all comes together and it looks so gorgeous. So I had so much fun today, guys. You know what makes it really fun when you put things together and you're not expecting the outcome? That was really fun. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for hopping on the Hot Mess Express tonight and hanging out and playing with some makeup with me. Let me know if you're gonna pick this palette up. Don't forget, I do have a Colourpop coupon code 5Alegra, so you'll save on your Colourpop order. And that's pretty much it, guys. And don't forget, you can pick up your Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. It is clean beauty makeup setting spray, and it is amazing, smells amazing, makes your makeup last super long, but also makes everything look dewy and effortless. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you're all doing good. And also, if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And if you do subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, I am having a pop-up giveaway today. So one of you beauties will be entered to win a $100 makeup mystery box. So there'll be $100 at least value makeup and beauty items in this mystery box. So one of you beauties will be picked to win. Just be a subscriber and comment down below that you'd like to take part, and or just comment whatever you want, and I'm just gonna go through the comments and pick a winner. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're all doing amazing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye, I love you.